Hey there, future scientists. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, where we make learning an absolute blast. Today, buckle up for an exciting journey into the world of science as we unravel the mysteries of a force that's all around us: friction. Now, what in the world is friction? Imagine this: you're at the playground, sliding down a slide. Ever wonder why you slow down and eventually stop? Well, my young friends, that's friction at work. Friction is like a helpful brake. It's the force that happens when two things rub against each other. There are four types of friction. Static friction. It happens when an object is not moving and is touching a surface. This friction keeps the object from sliding or moving on the surface it's resting on. For example, static friction is what keeps a block from sliding or moving on the table when it's not being pushed or pulled. Sliding friction. Sliding friction is a type of friction that happens when two objects slide past each other. For example, when you pull a block, sliding friction takes over. Sliding friction is the force that resists motion as the block slides across a surface. Rolling friction. Rolling friction is a type of friction that occurs when a round object, like a ball or a wheel, rolls over a surface. For example, the surface of the bowling ball and the surface of the bowling lane have tiny bumps and ridges that rub against each other and create friction. Fluid friction. Fluid friction is a type of friction that happens when an object moves through a fluid, such as air or water. For example, when a parachute is open. It creates air resistance and slows you down. The air is fluid, and it creates a force that resists your motion through it. Have you ever wondered why you can walk on the ground without slipping and sliding everywhere? It's all thanks to a powerful force called friction. Friction is like a tiny invisible grip that holds things together, preventing them from moving freely. Here, we have two toy cars, one sliding on a smooth surface and another on a rough one. Take a wild guess which one will stop first. Bingo! It's the one on the rough surface. The roughness causes more friction, making it slow down faster. Now, why should we care about friction? Well, let's unravel the mystery. Friction is like the superhero of our daily lives. Picture a world with no friction. Things would be slipping and sliding all over the place. We wouldn't be able to walk properly, and cars would keep going even when we want them to stop. Friction is the reason we can control and move things the way we want. It allows us to walk without slipping, grip objects firmly, write with a pencil, and even light a match. Without friction, imagine trying to walk on ice all the time. It would be a slippery mess. Here's a fun experiment for you to try at home. Take a smooth surface, like a table, and a rough surface, like a carpet. Now, slide a toy car on both. Which one do you think will have more friction? Give it a go and share your results in the comments below. Before we wrap up our epic friction exploration, do me a favor. If you are having a blast with this video, give us a big thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our thrilling science adventures. Alright, young scientists, that concludes our journey into the world of friction. I hope you had as much fun learning as I did teaching. Keep those curious minds buzzing with excitement.